ever wanted to type faster, work more efficiently, or build skills that can actually help your career, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Welcome to Learn to Type Lab, an interactive platform designed to help beginners, students, professionals, and job seekers improve their typing skills while building confidence for the future. Let's take a quick tour. Stay here with me. Typing test features. One of my favorite features is the instant typing test. You can jump right in without creating an account and see your current typing speed in words per minute. Whether you're practicing for school, preparing for an office job, remote work, opportunities, or simply challenging yourself, this tool helps you track your improvement over time. The goal isn't just speed, it's accuracy and confidence. And it's a great tool to use just to have a fun game to play or just to learn more. Now for typing lessons that are on here, Learn to Type Lab offers guided lessons designed to help you build proper finger placement, muscle memory, and keyboard confidence. The lessons are beginner friendly, but they're also great for experienced typists who want to improve their speed and accuracy. You can practice at your own pace and continue growing every single day. Typing games are also available on here. Learning should always be fun, and that's why the typing games are such an exciting part of the platform. Instead of boring drills, you can turn practice into an enjoyable experience while naturally improving your typing skills. It's a great option for students, families, and anyone who learns better through interactive activities. Now, check out career success features. But Learn to Type Lab goes beyond typing. The platform is designed to help users prepare for career success with tools that support personal and professional growth. From building workplace confidence to developing skills that employers value, learning to type efficiently is one of the most important digital skills you can have in today's world. And let me tell you who this is for. This platform is perfect for students preparing for school and future careers, adults learning new digital skills, remote workers wanting greater productivity, job seekers improving their professional readiness, parents looking for educational tools for their children. No matter where you're starting, Learn to Type Lab helps you move forward one lesson at a time. If you're ready to improve your typing skills, boost your confidence, and invest in your future, visit Learn to Type Lab today. Start practicing, challenge yourself, and see how much you can improve. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful content, and share this with someone who wants to level up their digital skills. I'll see you inside Learn to Type Lab. Visit us at learntotypelab.com to participate and brush up on your skills or see what your skills are. Thanks for watching this video. Drop me a like, and also a share, and place in the comments anything that you would like to see. And coming in the future is our addition to Learn to Type, which is called Career Success Lab. and it's going to have very, very great helpful features on it to help you build your resume, your cover letter, search for jobs. That's coming soon. So be looking for that video soon. Bye, everybody. Take care. Have fun typing.